Hello and welcome back to Everyday Idioms. It's great to have you with us again. Today, we're going to look at two very common expressions, add insult to injury and when pigs fly. Let's start with add insult to injury. This idiom means to make a bad or upsetting situation even worse. For instance, you could say, my flight was canceled, and to add insult to injury, the airline lost my luggage. Now, let's listen to a dialogue that illustrates this idiom in a natural setting.
I was so excited to try that new coffee shop, but they got my order completely wrong.
Oh no, really?
And to add insult to injury, they charged me for the more expensive drink I didn't even order.
Wow, that's terrible service.
Next up is a fun one, when pigs fly. We use this idiom to say that something will never, ever happen. For example, one could say, that politician will keep his promise when pigs fly. Let's check in with Clara and Daniel again to see how they use it.
Do you think Mark will actually help us move this weekend?
Mark will help us move when pigs fly.
You're right. He never helps with anything.
Exactly. It's just not going to happen.
And that's a wrap for today. We learned that add insult to injury means to make a bad situation worse. And when pigs fly means something is impossible. Can you use these idioms in a sentence? Share your own examples in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to English Tidbits for more lessons.